Yep, I'm Proto. This is alloneprostudio, and today we are going to be talking about how to do your undo like multiple times. That's undo, 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 just like that. I did this video in FL20, but this same thing applies in other versions of FL Studio. So this is how to do it. If you Ctrl Z, what you just get is this undo, redo, undo, redo. What you have to do is hold Alt, hold Ctrl, and you go Z. So I'm just Alt and Ctrl Z to undo till I get back to the beginning of my work. Now if I want to bring them back, what I need to do is to Ctrl Z, and I'll be back. Continue to hit Ctrl Z to continue the redo thing. Everything you've done will come back until you get to the last one. You hit Ctrl Z to redo and undo again. So that's how to do it. Let's go to the playlist. Let's have a little fun here. So I just dropped a couple of things there. If I Ctrl Z, it will just undo and redo the last one. But when I Ctrl Alt Z, they just keep going out. Now you know how to do the multiple undo and bring things back, get the redo, multiple redo, do, whatever. Hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video. If you have, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know. Like this video if you like it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of great videos on this channel to help you in your music, and there are a lot of great videos coming up too. I'm Proto. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.